Charm Love by Carolyn. First of all, I would like to start off by saying thank you to everyone for your likes, your views, your comments, and your subscribes. Thank you so very much. All right, Charm Fam, today I am going to be making bracelet number 2 in the Christmas series that I promised I was going to make for you all. And today, Charm Fam, excuse me, it is just going to be a simple stringing project. The beads I am using today will be these blue Chinese crystals. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to use these rondelle spacers, the ones that are gold, and my silver Christmas charm, which I think those are like 2 bells. That's so very cute. And I'm going to be using these clear glass beads, these pearls, a bell, and a jump ring. And the string I'm going to be using is what I had left of the bead Nova. So that's what I'm going to be using today, Charm Fam. And as always, if you would like, you can always string along, use what you have in your stash. But for me, I'm just going to sit here, I'm going to play the music, and I'm going to string the bracelet, and we're going to see how this turns out in the end. So, all right, Charm Fam, let's get started.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Pretty small letter.
right, Charm Fam, I have got it all strung together, and I've got my charm on my veil. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this, remove my clip, and I'm going to put my charm on, make sure I put it on the right way because this is a one-sided charm. So I think I'm going to insert just like so. Okay, Charm Fam, let me do this without trying to knock y'all around. Okay, Charm Fam. I'm about to do my tying, and I'm not going to count this time, I promise. Well, I'm going to count, but y'all won't hear me. Couple of more times for good measure, Charm Fam, as always. All right, we got it tied. We got it tied a little good. Okay, Charm Fam. Okay, I think that's okay. Now what I'm going to do, Charm Fam, as always, I am going to go off camera. I must put glue on my knots, and I'm going to cut the string, and I'll be right back with the finished product. So don't go anywhere, Charm Fam. All right, Charm Fam, I am back, and here is the finished product. Yep, that was a quick one. It was easy and it was fun, and I really like it actually because, of course, you know, blue is my favorite color, and it kind of reminds me of, I'm not gonna say snow, but I don't know. It just reminds me of cold, I guess. All right, Charm Fam, that was Christmas bracelet number 2. Christmas bracelet number 3 will be coming out shortly. Thank you all so much for joining me. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you're so inclined to. And Charm Fam, until the next video, much love to you all. And bye-bye.